Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can create a subdomain from your current domain. So let me explain real quick what a subdomain is. So a subdomain, normally you have your top level domain. So in this case this image describes it really good. So you have your domain, for example here it's this image is from HubSpot. Thank you very much. You have your domain name, for example here hubspot.com. This is your domain name, your top level domain. And so a subdomain is you can create a new folder. So for example, you can use this subdomain to create, in this case, a blog, to create an extra website or extra WordPress installation to host your blog on there, or you can create an online shop. For example, if you don't want to integrate your online shop, your new online shop on your current website, and you can make a subdomain to host your website there, your e-commerce store there. And this has some benefits because you don't need an extra domain name, so you don't have to register and pay for a new domain. And this also has some SEO benefits because Google and all the other search engines can associate your subdomain with your current top level domain, and then the authority goes directly from your main domain to your subdomain, and this has some benefits. So, and in this video I want to show you how you can create a subdomain. And let's go to my hosting company here. So right now this is the backend of my hosting company, and you can see I have registered in this account. I have 2 domains, and in this video I want to show you how you can create a subdomain, and for this we are using this website here. And to do this we simply go to the cPanel of our domain. So in my case I have the green button here. I click on log into cPanel. Now my cPanel is loading. Okay, there is my cPanel, and then we have to find our website management or our domain management. Here you can see, for me, it's under domain, and here you can see domains. So when I click on domains, and now I can click, now here's my domain in this account. It is, for me, it's this domain name. This is my top level domain, and then I can click on create a new domain. So, and here you can see here you can specify your domain name. So for example, in my case, it is, I will do shop, just to show you, shop.website -4 sale.com. Okay, great. And now you can see we get a new folder. We automatically create a new folder where we can install a new WordPress installation, or where we can host an HTML website. Yeah, and then we click on submit. Wait, let me copy this first. Copy, click on submit. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now, yeah, we have created a new subdomain. Here you can see we have a new root folder for all our documents where we can install WordPress, for example. And let's see if the website is already live. Put it in here. Okay, it's not live, so it's it can take a while to create the website. So it can take up to 1 hour until the system has created all the redirections and the new folder. But yeah, So this is how you can create a subdomain on your website. It's really simple, and yeah, it's really good if you want to separate, for example, your online shop or your blog from your main page. And yeah, you can install a new copy of WordPress, or you can install other things, Typo3 or a Joomla website, or even you can create an HTML website on there. And yeah, then it's reachable in my case under this new URL, shop dot, and then the website URL. And now I want to show you the folder that's created for our new website and how to install, for example, a WordPress copy. So let's go back to our CPanel, or open a new CPanel window. I think that's easier. And it is possible that our website is not reachable because there's nothing in there right now. So this can be possible as well. So for example, yeah, it can take a while until until the new address is published, and or it can be possible that the website is not reachable because there is nothing on our website right now. But I want to show you that the folder is created. So in my case, I go to, in the CPanel, I go to Files, File Manager. And now you can see here is our new folder created. So under the public HTML is our normal WordPress installation. And yeah, this is good, where the current WordPress installation is located. And then go back. And now here you can see this new folder for the subdomain. Yeah, and this is empty. So yeah, because it's empty, there's nothing to show when we want to visit the website. And okay, let's close the file manager. And now let's go to let's try to install WordPress. So here you can see I have a quick installation for WordPress. Manager by exactly this. Let's click on it. And now we can install a new copy of WordPress. So let's click on install here. And this is my main domain in my case. And now you can see I can select the subdomain. And now here I could install a new copy of WordPress. So I simply select the subdomain we created. And yeah, we have to create an SSL, so we can create a free SSL for the subdomain. But yeah, just to show you. And here we can here we can name the WordPress installation for the subdomain, and so on and so on. And then if I would click now install, then yeah, the new copy of WordPress would be installed on our new subdomain. And yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions about this, then let me know in the comments down below, and I try to answer your questions as fast as I can. And if you found this video informative, then yeah, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will publish more and more helpful videos about WordPress, WooCommerce, and web design in general. So yeah, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.